use your hands on your takeoff. Come on. Hands, good. At the Coliseum Gym, we use my invention, speed stairs. And our theory is low impact training more days a week than high impact training, and our athletes are having huge success. Here's what we do. Wait till they're all down and go. Go. Everything. Come on. That's fine. One more. Last one. Nice.
Flood Shield, the most innovative and inexpensive flood barrier on the market today, comes ready to use. With no alterations or permanent fixtures to your property, the barrier is easily fitted and no tools are required. This international award-winning design is strong, lightweight and resistant to impact. The stainless steel clips are fully adjustable by hand to suit your door frame. The barrier for wooden door frames seals against the flat outside surface of the door frame, and the bottom seal seals down onto the step. And this can be stone, concrete or wood. Once fitted, the barrier cannot be stolen when the door is closed. For UPVC door frames, the barrier has a different type of seal. It seals against the flat outside surface of the door frame and along the bottom frame. The barrier clips into the rebate of your existing door frame. The barrier seals against the flat outside surface of the door frame and the bottom seal seals down onto the step. The Flood Shield barrier comes in 6 standard sizes, and all you have to do is choose the width that fits between the brickwork of your doorway. Once fitted, the door can be opened or closed as normal, and remember, the barrier cannot be stolen when the door is shut. The barrier has been performance tested in a purpose-built test station and real flood situations. Removal of the flood barrier is easy, and its clever design means this takes less than 60 seconds. The Flood Shield door barrier is inexpensive, comes ready to use, no tools are needed, it can be fitted in minutes and no survey is required. It really can help save your home and your sanity. This is the best option to keep floodwater out of your property. And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee.